Alright, hey guys, we're trying this recording thing again. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about today's plan. So the first thing, if you notice the board, the first thing it tells you to do is you're finishing this graphic organizer. So if you didn't get a chance to finish it yesterday, you have a chance right now. I will take it up at the beginning of class tomorrow. Remember, first one we did together yesterday was over Superman and me, then Fish Cheeks, and then finally we did one over our own essay, okay? Remember I told y'all that we're doing our rewrite today. That's kind of our goal, is to get started on our rewrite. And so what we're going to do is you're going to use this as kind of a guide for where you need to start, okay? Remember, this next draft I'm going to grade for the entire rubric. So what I did is I opened up a second narrative essay, and I want you to go in and I want you to add your essay to this document. So this is going to be where we work. It's a second draft. It doesn't currently have a due date. Remember, I'm kind of playing this by ear a little bit on how long this is going to take us. I have added the prompt. So if you click on this, that will bring you to the prompt, the original prompt. We're still working on the original prompt. We're just kind of cleaning it up a little. I have added a copy of the rubric. So the rubric is right here. If you want to look, last time, remember, we stayed in this comprehension and meaning. We stayed in content. Now we're going to development and elaboration and organization and focus. And that's actually what we're working on now. Because if you look at your graphic organizer, development, details, organization, scene verse summary, elaboration, all of those are there. So that's actually where we are spending our time now. And then I did something else on this narrative essay second draft that I want you to look at. The last one says student examples. So I told you that I would show you some examples of things that your other classmates were doing to make their stories a little bit more story-like, to show and not tell. So that's what this is. So if you look through, I did the different graphic organizer categories. So it starts with modes. This person used third person instead of first person, like many of you did, and had a clear and concise thesis, which I highlighted in yellow for you. Okay? I did questions and where these questions were answered in this person. So if you look at the comments, you can see that. Scene verse summary, organization, and then finally details. And I gave you an example of a person that did great with dialogue. Okay, so you have some student examples to kind of go through to show you how your classmates accomplished these different things. So not just the examples that I gave you of narratives that professional authors have written, ones that other people sitting in the room with you have done as well. So that's what you're doing today. You will add your narrative here, and I returned it. So down here on the original, Unit 1 narrative essay assignment, excuse me, you should be able to see your original and edit on it. You may have to unsubmit it in order to do that. That's totally fine. This one's already been graded. And you'll come up here and you will add that Google Doc to this assignment, and then you will get started on your rewrite. Okay? I did leave an assignment that if you finish early that you can work on, or if you're not working, I've given the sub permission to use it, to assign it due beginning of class Thursday. So I suggest you take your time, make yours a little bit more of a story. Even if you weren't here yesterday to get yours returned to you, you should still be able to start this this process, okay? Because you have your actual essay given back to you. Okay? So you can start this process, and I'll give you back your graded copy Thursday when I return. All right. I will see you guys. Be good for the sub. Email me if you have questions. I should be able to answer them. Maybe not right immediately, but I should be able to answer them, and I'll see y'all Thursday.